guys, welcome back to another vlog. Right now it's gonna be day 2 of my adventure, and I'm over here right now in the Hoover Dam. I just went here, as you guys see from the B-roll montage, going here, and right now I'm over here with my brother, my mom, and of course my cousin. Anyways guys, we just went to the Hoover Dam and we're about to go somewhere next. I'm not sure where, so I'm gonna see you guys there. Transition. Alright everybody, right now we're over here in the Grand Canyon, the other side of Grand Canyon.
It's not.
Oh,
No, not Grand
the
Canyon.
Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam.
Alright everybody, so right now is the moment we have all been waiting for. We are over here in the helicopter tours and we are about to tour the mountains of Las Vegas or Arizona. I don't know. Super duper excited. It's gonna be my first time riding a helicopter. I'm with my boy, Brandon. Hi.
Okay.
And I'm here with my brother. He never talks to anybody. This dude gonna ride a helicopter.
I'm gonna jump.
Oh yeah.
No! God, please, no!
Alright, so before we ride the helicopter, we apparently have to watch the safety tutorials first. So, gotta be safe.
A few moments later.
Alright everybody, so we just finished watching our safety tutorial video and now they gave us this free limited edition fanny pack. In my opinion, the best ones out there.